bar charts. If we are looking to draw a bar chart, there are 6 steps that we can take to make sure they are absolutely perfect. You can remember them by thinking of the word salute. S stands for scale. That's making sure you choose an accurate scale that will use up the full space given. So you can see in this bar chart over here that everything is nicely spread out. We've used the full height and the full width of our chart to be able to show the information given. We don't want anything that's crowded into one little corner or anything that is spread out all the way over here. We want to use the entire space that is given to us. The next we look at the axes. So we're looking at the y-axis and the x-axis. Making sure a clear scale is shown with equal gaps in between the numbers or words. So we can see here that we have a clear scale. We've got the names of the different genres across the bottom here, and we've labelled it up as being a movie genre. We have clear gaps in between these bars as this is discrete data. Okay. Making sure that the bars are of equal distance and also the gaps are equal distance. Similarly, frequency is labelled here with nice clear numbers that go up in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this case. We haven't skipped any numbers and we haven't changed the amount that we're going up each time. You can choose to go up in 2s, 4s, 5s, 10s, so on, provided that each step is worth the same amount. Labels. Just talked about that. We're making sure that we've labelled the frequency and we've labelled what the x-axis is talking about. Units. In this case, units are not appropriate. However, if you were working with time, for example, you would be making sure you'd say whether you're using seconds, minutes or hours. If you're working with distance, you will be saying whether you're using millimetres, metres, kilometres and so on. So where appropriate, make sure you include your units. Title. Explaining to the person that's looking at the graph, using the title is the best way to do it. They then know what they are looking at. It's usually a good idea to start that title in a graph to show. So we can see here we have a bar chart to show favourite genre of film. This way, anybody looking at this graph knows exactly the information that they are reading. Lastly, equipment. Making sure you draw your graph with a pencil and a ruler. Really important to do that with a pencil and ruler. If you make a mistake, you can rub it out and start again.